nobody is near us and I did not bring a stand. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna be a weekend vlogger just because I work during the weekdays and I work overnight, and so most of my day is sleeping. Then I wake up, work out, do any little house chores, work stuff I gotta get done before I go to work, and that is my routine Monday through Friday. This is only a little bit different because today was my off day from working out, and I have a lot of stuff I still need to get from my house. My boyfriend's family comes this Sunday, so we just about have everything for our house. It's just small itsy bitsy things that I need in my house. So yeah, I just need some small stuff in my house real quick. And so I thought, why not grab the people real quick? Also, I already cleaned up my house today, so yeah, I need to hit up Ulta, I need to hit up Hobby Lobby, I need to hit up maybe Marshalls, I need to hit up Home Goods, I really need to hit up Whole Foods as well. I need to hit up Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond probably is going to be tomorrow. My boyfriend and I finally have 2 days off in a row together this weekend. I'm excited. So we're probably going to go to Bed Bath tomorrow because it's not raining today or tomorrow. And then also real quick, I think that's it. I think that's all we're doing. So if you haven't already, make sure you do like, subscribe, comment, have your post bell notifications turned on. Thing is too, all these places are like right around the corner from me and they're all like hunched together. All right, I'm already masked up because we are at Ulta, guys. Ulta is behind me. So I came here because real quick, to Fusion Archery Hut, they do a very good, let me see if I can show you guys, they do a very good exotic bloom flavor, and it's so freaking good, and clearly it's still sold out. I'm just gonna start getting it delivered to my house because it's kind of annoying. Yes, the other ones are kind of cool to try too, but when I tell you, you smell like such a dessert or treat with this one, you smell like a freaking treat, like your whole dessert, sis. Your whole dessert with exotic bloom, a whole dessert. All right, so let's move over to Ordinary.
She said she too young, don't want no man, so she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Drop top, how we rollin' down on Collins South Beach. Yeah, look like Kelly rolling, this might be my destiny. Yeah. She want me to eat it, I guess then it's on me. I got you, know I got the sauce like a fucking recipe. She just wanna do it for the grand.
At my dining room table, the light is like in the center over there, so the lighting might look a little weird-ish, but you guys, look at my vase. My vase looks so beautiful, right? That is my vase. It's supposed to go in my living room. I have to clean it off right now because it was probably covered in got to be glue, like the hairspray. So I found pampas grass. Obviously, since it was real life grass, I got some bug spray to kind of kill off everything for it. And then on top of the bug spray, I went and got hairspray because they shed like crazy. So I heard got to be glue is the best like spray to like keep it like stiff, don't breathe, don't fall. And when I tell you guys, I put so much got to be glue on those guys, and they didn't care. They didn't care. They gave no F's. No F's were given, okay? The grass was like, ha, sis, you thought you was gonna stop us from flowing, but we flowing. Okay. So I got all my goodies out. Let me start unpacking so you guys can see everything I got. All right, I'll start with this. So I got this cute little basket. Honestly, we need some kind of bowl to put like our keys and our wallets or something in. And this little basket was only like $7 from Hobby Lobby. Behind me, I have lanterns. You can kind of see it. I don't mind showing you guys. So I have my black lanterns up there ready. I want to get candles to be inside of them. And that's kind of going to be like the entrance way. Because the door swings open so big, you can't really see it until you're like sitting down in the living room or the dining room table or whatever. So the candles are going to look so good when I get the right sizes for these lanterns. And then this would be our little basket for me and Caleb to put our keys and stuff in. So good deal for me. I got this gem right here. It was $16.99 from, again, Hobby Lobby. So like a wooden piece. I want to put, it's going in my kitchen. I want to put all my olive oils, black pepper and everything like that all on this beautiful guy over here. So it's kind of giving my kitchen a little likeness. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Not even, I'm lying. I got this from World Market, so the Cost Plus World Market. I got this. It's the Golden Sands flavor, just so I can put it on top of my living room coffee table, just so you can have a little more of aesthetic on the table with it. I still have to go get flowers. Forgot to grab flowers today, so I can put them in the centerpiece. But I also kind of want to get white lanterns still for the living room, and then I want to get like a small gray rug as well, just because my living room is gray and white, if you didn't know, and it has hints of little black in it and stuff. So I just want to do a pop of color. All right, I have 3 candles here. The first one is called Marshmallow Rose, and it has clementine, Bulgarian rose, and marshmallow and white amber. It smells so good to me. It's a light pink bowl, so I like that too. I'm thinking of putting this in the living room because I have a ceramic vase already in the living room to give the living room a little bit more color, since it is like mostly gray and white. So pretty excited about putting that out. Then I got another one. It is milk and honey. Rude. It's the milk and honey flavor. And milk and honey reminds me of when I was a kid. My sister and I used to go to Safeway with my mom, and at the freaking Safeway, they always had the little bubble baths that on sale, and they had a milk and honey one, and my sister swore by that milk and honey. She swore by it, okay? That's all our bubble baths were, milk and honey. So reminds me of milk and honey. Reminds me of my sister in our childhood. This one is a soy blend candle. Oh, the other one is a soy blend candle as well. This one has white freesia, honey and almond, and vanilla cream. I love this candle because I'm not sure if this is supposed to be for this candle, because it sits but it doesn't sit correctly, but I don't care because it's wooden, and I can't get this right, because it's wooden and I love the wooden. So it's a sandalwood and tobacco flavor candle. Looks like that. It is a 3-wick as well. All my candles I got today are 3 wicks, and Lord have mercy. And it says, in the trees, in the breeze, seek nature's peace and bliss. How amazing is that? I love nature. All right, so I was about to play y'all. Not even show you the real tea that we got today. So remember how I told you we had the pampas grass from the side of the freeway? I decided to toss them. I threw them away. They're in the garbage can on my balcony right now, unapologetically, because they were shitting so crazy, sis. They were shitting so crazy. And also I just got paranoid about having bugs in my house, so I just went and did the fake pampas grass, and it is what it is. Didn't want to spend the coin on it, but it is what it is. Also, if you guys are interested, all these candles, at least these 2 with the beautiful bowls, $17.99, and then this beautiful guy, $14.99, and then for this beautiful fragrance right here, $12.99. Pretty pricey. Yeah, tell me about it, sis. Tell me about it. So I went ahead and I got pampas, and this is only 1 leaf, so it's pretty fluffy for 1 leaf. It's $24.99. I been knew that Cost Plus had them, but they only had 3 by my house. Up by Daly City, close to San Francisco, my home. They have 8 total there, so I might go and get 2 more, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put them in the vase, see what they look like, but they're pretty fluffy, pretty good. But this was the bulk of why everything was so expensive today. I am gonna set everything up, but I wanted to show you guys what it was looking like. Look how fluffy they look. Yes, I still got the tags on them. I didn't know if I wanted to keep them. Shit down on sight. That's right. We out here tripping over this. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping over this. You know it, you know it. Out here tripping over this. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping over this. You know it, you know it. In my closet, I am about to grab some shoes really quickly. You can kind of see my little outfit. We're going to a steakhouse in San Francisco. We're about to be on our way in a second. I'm going to grab my vlogging camera for you guys in a moment. Oh, those shoes would be cute with this outfit. I'm having a purple day. Ooh, do we want to rock those though? But I kind of want to be comfortable. Ooh, but I kind of don't mind rocking those either though. But ooh, I just want to be comfortable. Okay, hold on. A lot going on. I'm gonna be back. I need to change my purse, and you don't know how it is if you're a lady.
If it's a camera up in it, it's only you with me when I do. If it's a camera up in it, and I best not catch this pic on YouTube. Cause if you run your mouth and talk about your secret rendezvous, I will hunt you down. Cause baby, you're up in my business like a wedding interview. This is private, you know the night. Touch my body, on the floor, all around, it's more. Touch my body, put me on the bed, just wanna make you feel touch my body.
So we're at Maestro's. They play live music here, so we're probably gonna eat, show you our food and all that good stuff, but at the same time, because it's kind of loud, we're probably gonna blur a lot of this out, you guys. What's amazing about our table is that, I'm not gonna lie, it's just the wall right there, the M for Mastro's, and then we have a little two-seater, which is really cool because nobody is near us. Nobody, bring it. No, nobody is near us, and I did not bring a stand.
Please don't deny me. When I'm sitting here alone all of myself, when I think you might be with somebody.
You guys, it is raining in San Francisco, and we were literally at Mastro's for like 2 freaking hours. Unfortunately, our food sucked. It was straight butt. It was straight butt, y'all. It's like the cream spinach was like watered down or something, and the freaking mashed potatoes, the lobster mashed potatoes, was trash. It was like too much butter and the sauce with it, and then the lobster didn't care for it. The steak is seasoned really well. It's really juicy and tender. We did get the ribeye steaks meat and my boyfriend, so that was like popping, fire, amazing. So it's just cool to come experience it again because we have been to this restaurant before, but we would definitely pass. The sides have gone downhill since the last time we've come. The prices are, the steaks are really good. The steak seasoning is always gonna be bomb, but everything else, not worth it. So grab your steaks from there and then do your own thing. All right, we are heading home. I'm looking at this crazy weather as we pass through downtown San Francisco. And if I don't talk to y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's Sunday and it's raining all day. So our first rainy day together in our home. So it's kind of exciting. All right, y'all. Hi, friends. I have not talked to y'all. We're carving pumpkins with the friends. Woohoo! Look at us carving.
I ain't never seen that movie.
Because Ashley has not been vlogging all day.
Listen to like a 2-hour pitch, and then we got a free trip to Hawaii. Like air, everything.
And what you gotta do?
Just sit in a lecture for 2 hours at North Star.
And then you get to go to Hawaii?
But when you get to pick what date, and how long is the trip? I think you get to pick what date.
Hi, honey. I thought I felt you. Hello.
I don't know. I think it's like a 5 day or 3, 4 or 5 days.
Hi.
Still cool, you know. Even if it's a 3 day.
What did he do?
Slept with a 75-year-old.
Yo, what are you?
Cheated on me.
Cheated on her with the 75-year-old.
You don't hear this? Y'all always got the stories. Both of you. Not just him. Both of you always got stories. Like, what is going on here?
Yeah, that's bad.
I can tell. Woody!
Are both of you doing Woody?
I don't know. I don't know what I want to do.
Do you want to do Woody or do you want?
You can do it.
Okay.
You're always the pumpkin carver. This is like my first time officially cutting a pumpkin.
Seriously?
Do what us
Yeah, because he always does it.
normal people that can't carve
What do
do.
you
Bounce that shit like whoa, 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 whoa. Heard all of the stories about you, I already know, and I like it. Take you to the mall, get you a new outfit. Girl, that's just some child's play. Bounce that shit like whoa.